sa sarap, grabe na. Snack raid, anong mga snacks mo, sis?
Cheesy, unfinished na siopaw.
Ano pa? Pagbuksan mo.
Teka yung siopaw kasi may kagat. Bikat, piatos, and abauwo, ah.
Cheers! What's your snack?
This one.
Mangwan.
And then this one, cheesy. Then
Cheesy.
Mr. Chips, tapos kape, tapos tubig.
What's your snack?
May snack. Wait lang.
Delight, of course. Nagkalik ba yan?
Yeah.
Wow,
Mogu,
magic. Mogu-mogu.
Chicken skin.
Chicken skin.
And water.
What's your snacks? Charlene, can I see? Wow, chippy, oishi, piatos, water, Jollibee. What's your snacks? Photographer, what's your snacks?
Delight and piatos.
What's your snack?
Sibi.
Tangina mo! Mababaon mo pa siya sa bus!
I have fish cracker here and sweet corn. I also have bigat here and
Okay, wala naman nagtatanong, pero ito yung Of course, this is my snack bag. May In my bag, I have loaded, of course. As yung mga chips ko na malalaki, nilagay ko sa Tupperware para kumasya siya. My tumbler, of course. I have marshmallow. And then I have honey, of course. That's the best part of it all. That's it. This is Miss Cynthia. Update. 5 AM na, di pa rin naalis po.
kami pagpunta.
Anong masasabi mo? At hindi pa rin natutuloy ang time.
Aga-aga, dulo pa rin ang pila.
5 AM daw po, nakapila pa rin kami. Kalo.
Nakapamewak na nga yung driver ko.
Basta dapat fresh pa rin. Bakla hindi gagalaw pilay ko ngayon. Update. It's 5:37.
Yes.
Nakasakay na kami. Angat-angat lang, parang madam. Hindi galing yung dalawa. Bakla po kayo dito sa amin kanina. Shoot na kayo. We're here. Papuntang ano. Saan tayo pumunta sis? Petroglyphs ba yun? Yeah. It's in the middle of nowhere and we don't know where to go. But the only way is to go up. Am I right, sis? The only way is to go up. Mga OA. Where's my body? There it is! Ang Gona Binagona Petroglyphs site. As far as I know, based on my research, it is the oldest petroglyph in the Philippines. Am I right? Yeah. Ito pa na papasok ng Narnia. Siyempre ganda-ganda ko lang. Pero medyo, yung claustrophobia ko, ito na yung literal na yun. Literal na yung claustrophobia ko na talaga, ito na yun. Like, nakaka-broken na siya. Pero, like, kapag pasakot tayo. Oh my God, ito na palang, Narnia.
Lalabas ng ice and
Ito palang yung papasok niya, action.
may nagmimili.